So who is this? Mariah Carey and Kourtney Kardashian?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say they both are gonna taste like shit.
What is in there? I actually don't like how this one looks. And I think it's just because there's a lot of onions in it, and I like onions, but I don't like a lot of onions in marinara sauce.
Gonna do a little sniff test real quick.
I almost think that the basil overpowers like what the marinara is that I want.
This one initially smelled better.
This is really good. You know that this is really good.
This one's sweet, like in a bad way.
Yeah, number one's got hella onions in it.
Well, I mean, the onion adds a nice crunch to it, though. I can't deny that.
I feel like onions kind of complete the flavor package, especially in a pasta sauce.
Really garlicky, really acidic. I really like thick tomato sauces. I could actually eat this entire thing.
That's interesting.
Salt is the first taste that hits my mouth, which isn't a good sign.
I think this one is more flavorful for sure.
This is incredible.
Number two's too salty. Like I said, it tastes like shit. I don't know what else you guys want me to do.
Not a fan. I think this needs some serious cheese in order to save it.
That one smelled better, but I think this one, number two, tastes better.
It's definitely this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What? Oh, I have to pick which one I like?
Yeah.
Oh, no, they both suck, dude. I don't want to pick either of them.
Kourtney, my God, what have I done?
This is Mariah Carey? This is like a love ballad in a bowl.
The comment section is gonna go in on you.
The comment section. That too.
Dude, I love it.
Plug in at MyKim backwards.
My Instagram is at Sameet Sharma if you guys want to talk shit straight away. Like, go for it.